Hello students, welcome to SRBPS online classes. I am Vaishali Gupta and we will be starting our next chapter now, chapter 3, that is subtraction. So what is subtract? First of all, I'll tell you a name of subtract. Like I have given you one name of addition, that was sum. Addition, sum, plus, all are same. Same way, subtraction has other name difference. Subtraction has other name difference and difference can be written as minus. Subtraction has other name difference and it can be written as minus. So let's start with our first question. Also, I want to tell you one thing. Why do we subtract? For example, let's take a story. For example, in my garden there are 2000 mangoes. In my garden there are 2000 mangoes, but when I went the next day, 500 mangoes had fallen down. 500 mangoes had fallen down. How many mangoes are in the garden on the trees? अब कितने mangoes trees पे बचे हुए हैं? So how would I count? If there would be 10 or 20, I can count it. But if there would be 2000 and more than it, we need to do subtraction for that. This is the reason why in some questions we do subtraction. So let's move to our first question and see how do we do subtraction. The question is 426 minus 348. First thing is, let's take make some columns. Columns would be ones, tens, hundred. 3 columns I have made because there are 3 numbers. So I would write numbers here 426 and 348. First number is 426, 348. One more thing we have to always remember is to leave a line here. First make the columns and then leave a line here for doing carry so that it could be easier. Now see, 6 minus 8 we cannot do, so we have to borrow from the neighbor. If I am not having, I cannot make it directly 16. This is wrong. First I have to subtract from here. This would become 1 and this would become 16. 16 minus 8 is 8. And now 1 minus 4 I can't do, so I'll again borrow. This will become 3 and then it will become 11. 11 minus 4 is 7. 3 minus 3 is 0. So my answer here is 78. So let's move to one more question and then you will understand. Now here are 4 digits. So I'll be taking 4 columns. Ones, tens, 100,000. Then again we will leave a small line for carry. Then start writing the number. 7428, 7423 and 5658. And if I have to subtract it, would 3 minus 8 be done? No. 3 minus 8 cannot be done because 3 is a smaller number and 8 is a bigger. So I have to make it 13, but first I have to make this one. So 13 minus 8 would be how much? 5. 1 minus 5 I cannot do. So again I'll borrow. So this will become 3 and this will become 11. 11 minus 5 is 6. And here 3 minus 6 cannot be done. So again we'll borrow. This will become 6. So and it will become 13 here. 13 minus 6 is 7 and 6 minus 5 is 1. So my answer is 1765. Take a number with a larger number of digits. Right. So let's start doing. I hope you have understood this. Again, I am going to make some columns. Ones, tens, 100, 1000, 10,000. This time 6 places are there, so I'll be making 6 columns now. So again, I'll be leaving a line here, then writing the number 764248, and then this number 437856. Let's start subtracting it. 8 minus 6 we can do? Yes, we can easily do. 8 minus 6 is 2. So simply we'll write. 4 minus 5 we cannot do. The number with more number of digits is also same. It's just that earlier 4 digits, now 6 digits are there. 4 minus 5 we cannot do. So this will become 1 and this will become 14. So 14 minus 5 is 9. 1 minus 8 we cannot do. So again this will become 3 and this will become 11 because he has given 1 to this. 11 minus 8 is 3. Again 3 minus 7 I can't do. So I'll borrow from here. So it will become 13. 13 minus 7 is 6. And here 5 minus 3 we can do. So we need not borrow. 5 minus 3 is 2 and 7 minus 4 is 3. So can you see one thing that I have in every number, above every number, I have circled the carries. Why? Because there would be no confusion. I have different colors of pens now. So you can see easily. But when you will be doing in notebook, I will not be able to make out that this is a number or this is a borrowing. So every time borrow the numbers which you have borrowed from other place. Clear? Last simple question which I am going to tell you is very small question. The from question which we have learned earlier also. Let's look once. The from question. Subtract this from 2586. Let's say this number. Subtract this from this. You have studied in previous class also. What is the meaning of from? From means after this. ये number subtract करना है इसमें से. So the number after the from always comes at first place, the upper place. So first I am writing here places. Again leaving one line. Now I will not write this number at first place but after the from number. 2586 minus 1748. So let's start. Minus 6 minus 8 we cannot do. It becomes 7 and it becomes 16. So 16 minus 8 is 8. 7 minus 4 is 3. 5 minus 7 we can't do. Again we got to borrow. It becomes 15. Now it will not become 14 क्योंकि इसने इसको कुछ नहीं दिया. यहाँ पे खत्म हो गया. This is next number which is requiring carry. It has not given to tens place. So 15 minus 7 is 8 and 1 minus 1 is 0. So my answer is 838. So I hope now you are clear with some subtraction concepts. That's all from my side. Thank you.